And you had most of it, just like we did. We are going to exercise our client's constitutional right of appeal. He's entitled to. That's all we can say for now.
Who is this?
Who's that person? Come outside. Come outside. Why you go? Who are you? Why you go to? What is this? Wait. Where's the warranty? Where's the warranty? Where are they taking me to? We have to wait till when we get the warranty. Are you the one that are you the one that are you? Are you the one that brought me? Come now, you know what? Are you the one that brought me? Are you the one that brought me? Come now, you know what? Are you the one that brought me here? Are you the one that brought me here? Are you a prisoner? Yes. When we take, are you the one that brought me? Please come back. Anybody interfere with us? Don't allow anybody to somebody will brought from the yard. You are saying we cannot take him back. Go with us, but don't interfere with our movement. Okay. Please sit down. Let's go. The police need a suspect for here. The police need a suspect for here.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.